High-quality aerial photography and smooth flight control matter when choosing an affordable drone for beginners and creators. Best drone under $500 delivers stable flight, sharp camera output, long battery life, and user-friendly controls for smooth aerial capture experience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini UHD Drone. The DJI Mini UHD Drone is a lightweight yet powerful aerial camera drone designed for users who want professional quality footage without complex setup. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids registration requirements for recreational use, making it convenient for beginners and travelers. Its 4K Ultra HD camera combined with a 3-axis gimbal delivers smooth, cinematic shots even in challenging lighting conditions like sunsets or night scenes. The drone performs reliably in winds up to 38 kilometers per hour, supported by strong brushless motors that also allow stable flight at higher altitudes. With a long 10-kilometer HD transmission range, it gives users impressive freedom to explore wide landscapes while maintaining a clear live feed. Battery options extend flight time up to 93 minutes with 3 batteries, which is ideal for longer shooting sessions. Overall, it balances portability, stability, and advanced imaging features for both casual and creative aerial photography needs. Number 2. Ruko U11 Mini Drone. The Ruko U11 Mini Drone stands out with its unique all-in-one design featuring a built-in 5.5-inch 1080p touchscreen controller, removing the need for a smartphone or extra apps. This makes it especially appealing for beginners who prefer a simple and distraction-free flying experience. It captures highly detailed 8K photos and smooth 4K 30fps videos using a half-inch CMOS sensor, ensuring sharp visuals with good dynamic range for landscapes and family moments. A 3-axis mechanical gimbal keeps footage stable and shake-free even in uneven wind conditions. With a strong transmission range of up to 20,000 feet, it offers reliable long-distance control without relying on Wi-Fi. The drone includes 2 batteries providing up to 64 minutes of total flight time and supports fast charging for quick turnaround. Lightweight under 249 grams, it is travel-friendly and does not require FAA registration, making it a convenient and powerful choice for modern aerial photography users. Number 3. Punieayi 4K Drone. The Punieayi 4K drone is designed for users who want a simple yet capable aerial experience with smart GPS functionality. It features a 90-degree adjustable 4K HD camera that captures clear photos and videos, while GPS stabilization helps maintain steady flight and accurate positioning outdoors. Safety features like automatic return to home activate when battery is low or signal is lost, making it beginner-friendly and reliable. It also includes intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me and Circle Fly, adding creativity to aerial shots. With 2 high-capacity batteries, it delivers up to 60 minutes of combined flight time, supported by quiet brushless motors that enhance stability even in moderate wind conditions. A standout feature is the integrated 5-inch HD screen on the controller, allowing real-time FPV viewing without needing a smartphone or app. Compact and foldable, at 238 grams, it is easy to carry, making it suitable for outdoor travel and casual photography. Number 4. CHUBORY 3280-foot Drone. The CHUBORY 3280-foot drone is built for users who want long flight performance and simple operation with built-in display convenience. It features a 4.5-inch HD screen on the controller, along with a pre-installed 32GB SD card, allowing instant recording without requiring external devices or apps. Its 4K camera with EIS stabilization helps produce smooth and clear footage, reducing shake during movement for more professional-looking results. GPS functionality ensures stable flight with automatic return-to-home safety, while the 3,280-foot control range provides decent long-distance coverage for outdoor exploration. One of its strongest advantages is flight time, offering up to 90 minutes total using 3 batteries, making it suitable for extended shooting sessions.
The foldable, under 249-gram design keeps it travel-friendly and easy to carry anywhere. Overall, it is a practical drone for beginners and hobbyists who want long endurance, stable control, and ready-to-use recording features in one package.
Number 5. Oddire 249G Drone. The Oddire 249G drone offers a well-balanced mix of portability, GPS intelligence, and stable aerial performance. Designed under 249G, it avoids registration requirements, making it convenient for casual users and travelers. Its 4K UHD camera with a 110-degree wide-angle lens captures detailed aerial photos and videos with adjustable tilt for flexible shooting angles. The built-in GPS system enhances flight safety with automatic return to home, along with intelligent features like Follow Me, Fly Around, and route planning for creative shooting control. It provides up to 48 minutes of total flight time using 2 batteries, supported by a 7.7-volt power system for improved endurance. The upgraded 5G transmission ensures stable real-time FPV feed up to 500 meters, reducing lag during flight. Brushless motors improve wind resistance and overall stability, making it suitable for outdoor environments. Compact, powerful, and easy to handle, it is a strong option for users seeking dependable 4K aerial photography. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.